Here's a summary of PureVPN speed test results from multiple recent reviews and benchmarks showing a range of typical performance you might see when using the VPN. Typical speed test findings. WireGuard, fastest protocol. Many reviewers find WireGuard delivers the best speeds, often close to your baseline internet speed, around 690 Mbps plus in real-world tests when connected to nearby servers. *1 Detailed regional test recorded averages like North America 498 Mbps, Europe 427 Mbps, Asia 258 Mbps, global average 394 Mbps, solid for streaming and browsing. Protocol impact. *OpenVPN, TCP/UDP, is noticeably slower, sometimes under 200 to 250 Mbps, and significantly slower than WireGuard. *IKF2 can be inconsistent, though sometimes faster than OpenVPN. Speed reduction compared to no VPN. Some testers saw PureVPN reduce speeds by 30%, 50% versus no VPN, especially on distant servers. *1 lab test showed a 26% drop on Macs and a 44% drop on Windows when using PureVPN in speed tests. What this means for you: streaming, HD/4K usually fine with WireGuard. Browsing and everyday use. *responsive performance. Gaming or high-speed backups. Might see higher latency or slower speeds, depending on server distance and routing. Speed consistency. Can vary widely by server, time of day, and protocol. Tips to maximize speed: use WireGuard for best throughput. Connect to nearby servers when possible to reduce speed loss. Try different server locations, some will be faster.